Thinking about building your own streaming platform? There's more to it now. Making all of this work together isn't easy. Until now, meet Muvi One. Launch what you've been thinking of building, all from one AI-backed dashboard. Upload your content. And our built-in AI helps get it ready faster by filling in metadata like descriptions and categories. Oh, did I miss posters and banners? Those are covered too. And yes, subtitles and translations are taken care of as well. Our built-in AI even dubs your content into other languages. And there's more to bring together. Protect your content with DRM and watermarking before it goes live. Set the right monetization model with subscriptions, ads, or pay-per-view. Choose the apps you want to launch. Pick the template that fits your platform. Then go live across every screen from one place. One platform for everything streaming. Start your 14-day trial now.